understanding the phrase, rent from. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the English phrase, rent from. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it correctly in different contexts. Let's dive in. Rent from is a combination of two words, rent and from. To understand this phrase, let's first break it down. Rent, to pay someone for the use of something, typically property, land, or a car. From, indicates the point in space at which a journey, motion, or action starts. When combined, rent from refers to obtaining or leasing something from someone in exchange for payment. Now that we understand its meaning, let's look at some examples to see how rent from is used in sentences. 1. I rent from Mrs. Johnson, the old lady who lives next door. 2. They decided to rent an apartment from a local estate agent. 3. You can rent a car from most major airports. In all these examples, the person doing the renting is obtaining something, like a house, apartment, or car, from another person or entity. 1. The thing being rented is usually a tangible item like property, vehicles, or equipment. 2. The entity or person you are renting from can be an individual or a business. 3. The phrase can be used in various tenses, e.g., rented from, renting from, will rent from. Be cautious of these common mistakes. 1. Incorrect. I rent the house by Mr. Smith. Correct. I rent the house from Mr. Smith. 2. Incorrect. She rents a bike of the shop. Correct. She rents a bike from the shop. Remember, always use from after rent to indicate the source or origin of the rental. And there you have it. Now you understand the phrase, rent from, and its usage in the English language. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master the nuances of this phrase in no time. Happy learning!